Hi everyone, this is Marilynn and welcome back to the Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with other amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, including the playlist. So be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. Today, I'm creating an abstract face using a hexagon coaster as the base. Once done, it can be used as a planter, brush holder, pencil holder, or coin holder. It has multiple uses, blending art with function. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. These are the products I'll be using in today's video: a small hexagon coaster, the abstract face with a little top, or it looks like a little hat, crushed shells, the Tea Expert epoxy resin, the Cernet alcohol ink in brown. For the first time, I'm going to use the Bond Crafters mica powders. I just got these with Marva from Marvelous Artsy's discount. She's got an affiliate link on her page. I will be linking it on the description down below because I got 20% off of these and I thought it was a great deal. So thank you, Marva. Let me just get everything out of my desk and bring the tray in so I can get the project started. Okay, so I've already mixed it. I put it in the debubbler and now I'm gonna give it a little bit of a tint. Five drops should be good. Just a smidge of tint. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna use the red, brown, and the golden for the base. Now I'm hoping I have enough shells. Should be good. Okay, so now I just have to get it in the curing machine, and so I'll be right back. Okay, they're ready. I'm to demold. the way it came out. And that's it for today's project. Here are some pictures. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this abstract vase. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to check out all of the other creators in the Coasting Through the Week collaboration. And I'll see you in the next video.